there was a problem in the place called the island. A hurricane flood went all over the island Sodor, so we have nothing to do. Need help, so we got the workman train, Percy the golden train. A flood hit the dams, and the dam was flooding. Do this now. We had to have a dam here, but the sand absorbed the water, and then it pushed it down there. And this is a car that was supposed to be over here. Here's another car. It's from the other place. But it wasn't flooded. It was flooded over here. It went up to right here. I didn't know why it was flooded, but it was flooded. I didn't know why that happened. Speak to Percy. This was a bad storm. We had nothing to do. But I had to tell I never knew about this, but I just wanted to say about I just said it. Oh no, a tornado! Oh! Whoa, I did not see that tornado. He just got damaged. And the wind waters. We have nothing to do, but the flood was not cool. It was almost like the video, Toby falls off the rails into the ravine waters. It's almost just like it, except it was the same bridge. Fell right over and landed right here in this old cot. Right here in the old cot. And he landed everywhere. Floods, absorbing, trains. He had to fix it. And everybody in the island of Sodor was complaining about the storm. I just don't like this thing. I don't like it. I don't like how the storm went. That storm flooded. I can't see. I can't watch this. This video is not good. Sore handle. I didn't see nothing like me. I'm sore handle the Narragate's engine. I have not done this in a while. I did not know a flood of a hurricane. I was carrying my train just like Thomas. Together we were driving down the line. Then we saw James. Yeah, I saw it too. I didn't see it coming. That river was streamed up. I did not see it coming. Oh, and I didn't see that coming. My name's Mavis, and the bridge was bad. That thing happened right at the quarry. I was over there at the bridge on the quarry match. I had nothing to do. I was over there until Percy came, and the water was all dried up, and the quarry cars were dried all over the flood. That flood was up to the car's windows. I'm another Narragate agent. I saw it too. I was pulling my passenger train, and I did not see that coming. I did not. I got blew right off the bridge. I didn't even notice. I did not see it coming. Speak to Toby. My name's Toby, and this happened too. I was at the quarry with Mavis, and I did not know it was coming. Oh! I'm carrying the milk cars alongside until I got knocked off the rails. Now I had to go to the repair yards. I did not see it coming. Oh! So, we saw all the engines. That was a big problem, mistake of the talkie. I did not see that coming. That's right. He got knocked right off this bridge. Yes, I did. I did too. So 2 engines have complaining about the Corey Bridge. Well, this is bad. Rita, we did not see that. The water flowed all over there. We had nothing to do. So, bye! Join us next time on the Island of Sodor News. Dun 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 That's all for the Island of Sodor News. The Island of Sodor News is provided by Toby falls off the bridge. Well, bye, ya listo.